Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because I'm going to be partnering up with fabfitfun on today's video to share with you their new fall box, which I have right here. They just launched the fall box, and you guys, it is so good. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys all about what's inside. I'm going to share everything about each product, and then I also have a coupon code for you guys. I have $10 off your first box. If you've never heard of fabfitfun before, they're a seasonal subscription box. They come out with 4 boxes per year. Each box has like fashion, beauty, lifestyle products, like really good stuff, full size. It's such an amazing value. My box is well worth over $200, and you get the box per season for $49.99. But I do have a special coupon code just for you guys. If you wanted $10 off your first box, you could use code LACE. So that will bring you down to $39.99 for your first box, which is amazing. They even let you like customize some of the products inside. So I thought I'd share with you guys what's inside my box. And fabfitfun does ship to the US, Canada, and the UK, which is really, really great. So I'll have all the information listed in the description box in case you guys want to check it out, because fabfitfun seriously has such amazing items in their boxes. So let's get right into what's inside the box. Okay, so as I said, this box is under $50 when you sign up for the subscription service, and right away this scarf right here caught my eye. And you guys, this is worth $75 for this plaid scarf, which is incredible. So right then and there, you're already saving money off of this, plus like you're pretty much getting the rest of the box for free, if you want to think of it that way. So this navy plaid scarf feels so incredibly soft. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna unpackage it so you guys could see. So this is by the brand Plush Apparel, and it is gorgeous. It has black, navy, white. I mean, I think it's a great basic scarf that is going to, you know, be really great for all throughout fall. I mean, we all love a good plaid scarf for fall, so I thought this was absolutely gorgeous in the box. It has a little fringe detail on the bottom. I mean, isn't that darling? And being that you could customize some of the products in this box, so like say with the scarf, there are other products to select from. So in case you wanted, say, a yoga mat instead, or the hair styler, there are other products to choose from in this month's box, like some really great pieces like the Amika hair styler. So let's move on to the next item in the box. Let's do these because these smell so incredible. I already own these sugar cubes by this brand. The brand is Harper and Ari, I want to say it's called. It's the exfoliating sugar cubes. You guys, these smell so amazing. I wish you guys could smell how amazing these are, because they're incredible. I already own these sugar cubes, and I will say, like, I will buy these over and over. So already, like, this is amazing that these are included in this fabfitfun box. It's called the Juice Cleanse ones, but they're just like body exfoliant. So what I do with these is I'll just take out, they're like a little sugar cube. Obviously you don't eat it, but you like put it under the shower water, and then it kind of breaks down a little bit, and then you just apply it all over your body, and it makes your skin feel amazing. It's not stripping. It keeps it hydrated, but gets all the dead skin off. So if you're like into self-tanning, or you just want that smooth skin, who doesn't want smooth skin? So this is amazing. That's gonna get you that result. It just smells so good. I can literally just keep smelling this. This smells so good. So yes, really excited that these are in the fabfitfun box for fall. The next product that I am super excited about, I already kind of dug into this packaging. It is the After Spa hair towel. I use one of these every single time I get out of the shower and wash my hair, because my hair is long, and no matter how long your hair is, short, long, I feel like these towels help get your hair drier. So if your hair is like soaking wet, these are gonna absorb all that excess moisture in your hair, like from the water, and it's gonna dry it a lot faster. So what I do is immediately when I get out of the shower, I just put my hair into one of these hair towels, and then I will do my skincare routine. So all my hair is off my face, and it's like kind of, you know, doing the towel drying process while I'm doing my skincare. And this holds like so much of the water that was in my hair, and then it's into this towel, and I just let it hang on a little hook near my shower. and it's amazing. So you can never have too many of these because I like to like wash these and stuff after a couple uses, just because like my hair gets like on my hairline I have like makeup and stuff because it's right before I take my makeup off. So I think these are amazing and I love this color. I think it's so cute. So yes, this definitely is an amazing product. Again, like we have like a little, with these two products, a little spa theme going. You could even break these boxes up into gifts. Like say you already have one of these towels or you already have some of these or you want to like gift something to somebody. Do this like with a little gift card or something for someone's birthday and like you already have a gift. Christmas gifts, like the scarf. I mean, there are so many different things. You could break these boxes up into gifts, which is another great idea as well. So definitely loving that towel though. Okay, another product that I'm really excited about are these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So I have been really enjoying using eye masks under my eyes, especially since I've been traveling. After flying, I know the under eye area just in general, or your skin in general, could tend to get very dry after traveling. So I love packing these because they are definitely a big lifesaver when it comes to my beauty routine when I travel. So these are gold, so they're really like glamorous. They make you feel like already like super glamorous when you wear like these eye masks. So what I do is right away in the morning, like when I wake up, right before I do my makeup, if I'm gonna have like some tea or something in the morning, I'll wear these and then just like do a little bit of my morning routine, like brush my teeth and whatnot. And then you could let these sit. So these particular ones says to apply onto clean, dry under eyes, repeat on the other side, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and discard after use. You could gently pat remaining serum into skin. So I love these. You get a big package of these. You get actually 6 pairs, which is really great. I was so excited to select these in my box because I'm always about eye masks. I mean, I think they're just so fun and they are very effective. And these will really hydrate and brighten your under eye area. And then when you go to apply your makeup that day, it's great. Okay, we have to talk about this fun little lunch tote inside. This is by Kate Spade. So the fact that there's a Kate Spade lunch bag in this is just amazing. So this is worth $30. It's an insulated lunch tote. I think it's very classy design. Like it's not like super in your face. I love how like just muted it is. On the front it says out to lunch. I think it's so cute. You just unzip it and it's insulated inside. So for me, like if I'm traveling for the day and I want to take some like waters or anything that I want to keep cool inside, this is great. So I mean, being that it's a fall box, a lot of you may be back to school, if you're in college or if you're a teacher or for any kind of job and you take a lunch, this is classy, it's cute and just fun and feminine. So I love that this is an option for the fall box from FabFitFun. Okay, next up in the fall box is this Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscience body souffle. Well, test this out on the top of my hand. Oh, that smells really good. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. So, and this feels really nice. It doesn't feel greasy in any way. So I'm really liking this. So I'm really now excited to share that this is in the box. It says vegan and cruelty free, naturally derived. So lots of great ingredients in here. So this is really exciting and it just smells so good. We have a hair product in the fall box and it's by the brand Aveda. Aveda is such a great quality hair brand, very high end. So this is called the Daily Hair Repair. Instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. I do a lot of heat styling on my hair. This says shake well, work a small amount of product into hands and apply it through damp hair and comb to distribute. Do not rinse. It's kind of like a leave-in product. So this is really great and Aveda products always smell so good. And the last thing in the fall FabFitFun box is these Bauble Bar earrings. I think these are so fun. They are called the Farah ear crawlers. They have been really on trend and I think these are a nice like understated way. They're like really pretty with the crystals and of course I love Bauble Bar. Actually the earrings I have in right now are Bauble Bar, so I'm already a fan of the brand, so I'm really excited that these were included. They're so precious. I love these so much. So definitely excited to wear them, like be really different, like wear your hair in a ponytail, like with the cute like black dress or something. This is how I can imagine it. And then you just like wear the ear crawlers. I think that'll look really, really pretty. So that is everything in the fall FabFitFun box. It even comes with this FabFitFun magazine, and actually Meghan Trainor is on the cover, and there's a lot of great information in this magazine. This is definitely something where they give like a lot of just tips, tricks. They share a lot about the products. There's different ways that they show how to style the scarf in here that's included in this box. There's just so much about every product, and they have an interview with Meghan Trainor in here. So I think it is really, really cool. They highlight a lot of other products as well, and a lot of discount codes in the back for different brands. So totally, like, I cannot recommend FabFitFun boxes enough. They're a great way to introduce yourselves into new brands, highly discounted products. I mean, it is just so fun. It's like Christmas every season because you get to try out all these new goodies. So you can feel free to use my code LACE. That's LACE. I'll have it listed here for you guys. And in case you want $10 off your first box at FabFitFun. So if you already subscribed to FabFitFun, you'll have to let me know down below in the comment section. Let me know how excited you are for your fall box. And if you get anything that you love or in the past that you've loved, you have to share all about your experiences because I've had such an amazing experience with FabFitFun in the past, and I'm absolutely super excited to be sharing all about the fall box. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions about anything at all, feel free to leave it in the comment section below, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. I love doing these like little unboxing videos. I think they're so much fun. And if you're new here, don't forget to consider hitting subscribe on the way out. I make lots of fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on my channel, and I'd love to have you guys. So you could even hit that little notification bell if you have not already, and that will notify you whenever I upload a brand new video. So I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me.